The Logitech Z640 is an older 5.1 speaker system that was originally designed for personal computers. Understanding how to connect it to modern TVs requires knowing the differences between old and new audio connection standards. The Z640 uses three analog 3.5mm jacks for its 5.1 surround sound input. The green jack handles front, left, and right channels, black handles rear channels, and orange handles the center channel and subwoofer. Modern TVs, however, have moved away from these analog inputs. Instead, they typically feature digital audio outputs or simple stereo connections. TVs now commonly feature digital outputs like optical toslink and HDMI ARC for high-quality surround sound, or basic stereo outputs like headphone jacks and RCA connectors for simple audio connections. For TVs with digital audio outputs, you'll need a digital-to-analog converter, or DAC. This device takes the digital signal from your TV's optical or HDMI ARC output and converts it to the analog 3.5mm jacks that your Z640 requires. If your TV only has stereo outputs like a headphone jack or RCA connectors, you can connect directly to the Z640's green input jack. The Z640's matrix mode will then distribute the stereo signal to all speakers, simulating surround sound. While this isn't true 5.1 surround, it provides a fuller audio experience than standard stereo. Understanding these connection options helps you choose the right approach for your specific TV and desired audio quality. Digital connections provide true surround sound, while stereo connections offer simulated surround through matrix mode. First, identify the audio outputs available on your TV. Modern TVs typically have three main audio output options. For digital outputs like optical or HDMI ARC, you'll need a digital-to-analog converter, or DAC. Connect the TV's digital output to the DAC input. Then connect the DAC's analog outputs to the Z640's color-coded inputs. Green for front speakers, black for rear, and orange for center and subwoofer. For a simpler connection, if your TV has a headphone jack, you can connect directly using a 3.5mm cable to the Z640's green input. Next, configure your TV's audio settings. Navigate to the audio menu and select the appropriate output that matches your connection method. If using a stereo connection, enable the Z640's matrix mode to simulate surround sound. This distributes the stereo signal across all speakers for a fuller audio experience. Finally, optimize your audio experience. The Z640 offers strong bass but may lack in mid-range. Experiment with both your TV's audio settings and the Z640's controls to find the best sound balance for your preferences. Remember that connecting older audio equipment like the Z640 to modern TVs often requires adapters due to the decline of analog audio outputs. With the right connections and settings, you can enjoy quality surround sound from your TV.